Back up on my bullshit. I missed back. She's like, oh, they're there. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but just so fucking back.
So excited today because that I shipped from the United States. I feel like there's more stuff. Hi guys, good morning. It is 10:59 a.m. my time over here. It's been long. I held this bad boy. I don't even know how to act, and I know you guys are mad at me, but please don't be mad at me after I explain everything.
You gonna explain, Taya?
She really gonna get me, okay? But guys, I'm so excited today because a lot has been going on. But I'll tell you guys all the backstory of everything when I tell you the good news today. So yeah, we are in Germany, like guys, like you already know or not, we are in Germany and we're gonna be here for a while, and it's because of work. And what work are we in? The United States Army, of course. It's a little chaotic in the background, but don't worry because all this is gonna be fixed, and that is why I'm here today, and I'm so excited for it. So today I had a schedule for my house of goods that I shipped from the United States during the PCS move to get here, and then they are here today. So apparently I was just laying in bed resting, relaxing, waiting on their call. Oh, they're there. So I'll be back. Yes.
Pull up, watch it go up, baby, so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, baby.
No.
Baby, don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this road, go. I can't fuck with
Okay. I don't know why I just asked that man if he speaks German, but I don't speak either, and I'm learning. And that's also another good news that we're gonna get into in the future. But for now, guys, like I was saying, my stuff from the United States just got here, so they are bringing it in gradually. And like I was saying before, I was just laying in the bed and I heard like this noise that I don't normally hear downstairs. I'm on the 3rd floor. You know what? This 3rd floor, 1st floor thingy with German and American numbering of store building, we're gonna get into that later, but I'm on the 3rd floor. So when you count the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, the 3rd floor, that is what I am on. So they're bringing in my stuff, and I heard like this, chaining and strapping and unstrapping and all this sounds downstairs. So I peeped in my window. When I peeped, I didn't have the camera on, so I couldn't get like a clear video, but I used the phone, so I'm gonna insert it in here. And it was the company, and I saw my name on the wooden crate, so I was like, oh, they are here. So I was expecting them kind of, so I had to just wait for them to get here. And then I heard the first knock on my door. They gave me this paperwork which is sitting on the floor by the door to fill out. So yes, our stuff is here, and now we can actually turn this room into a real home. That is what the news is about, guys. So I have been waiting on a lot of stuff. First, there was my car. It just got here like last week. I went to pick it up. I missed you. Look at her. She's back. Y'all. I missed her. Oh, I'm low on gas. It's okay. We're gonna fix you, baby. But yes, guys, I have my car. I did the registration and everything. It was a whole lot. It was a process, let's just say. But I'm gonna sit you guys here for a little minute, and we're gonna see them bringing in the stuff one after the other. But for now, we're excited, guys. So let's get into it. How is everyone doing though? I know I've been MIA, like me being MIA, like I said, we're gonna get into it. So let's enjoy the move of the stuff. Yeah. Oh. We're traveling 2 times on this recording and stuff. And the stuff coming in. So if you don't mind.
Kolegę patrzcie dodać.
You speak everything?
No,
He speaks everything?
this guy is a little bit crazy.
So you speak Spanish?
Hola.
Kolegę.
You speak Spanish? A little bit.
Small.
Poquito. Okay. I'm learning German too, so.
O,
They just brought the TV. And is there a light in here? No, we're gonna have to fix the lighting situation in the little living area. But guys, they have my name on everything. How bougie and prestigious. Look at that. My baby just came in. And then they have the contents of what is in the box. So I don't have to, you know, this one says clothes. The other one said canned food, so something, because I had some canned foods left over before coming into the States. Before coming in here. And then now, this is how my room is looking like for now. These are the bags I brought. This is the bed. This is one drawer. And then there's another drawer on the side. This is like a little study area. And then I used my flight blanket as curtains because I have a lot of curtains coming in, so I didn't want to buy new ones. And this is gonna be our living area. This is the kitchen. Guys, we're gonna have a proper tour, but for now I just want you guys to know what we're looking at before and after. So, and this is the bathroom, obviously, but yeah, this is what we're looking at for now. And we're gonna build it up.
Evan, what's up, Evan? Evan.
Yes. Huh?
No, I sleep with him.
Okay.
Back on tequila, back on the strip, without a groupie hole. This could get ugly, I'm petty. I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby.
They just brought the second load in, so this is gonna be the whole process until everything is upstairs. So I don't want this to be boring, so let's just, you know, I'll put you guys down for a minute, just a little minute. I'm not going nowhere, don't miss me too much, and then I'll pick you guys back up when we move from the bringing the stuff upstairs to like something else. Okay, but for now guys, that is the little update, and I can't wait to change this whole room into where I can call home. It's already a home, but you know, it's not home when it doesn't have the touches that I want it to have, and it's me, so expect the best. But guys, I have missed you guys so much. The month of June and the month of July has been a roller coaster, okay? But we're gonna get into it. But for now, I'm gonna put you guys back down, and like I said, I'll pick you guys back up. So yeah, don't go nowhere.
I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, it's the best of me. Falling in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression.
This is how we're looking right now. For someone who I thought I did not bring enough stuff, this place is getting full. And yeah, I'm gonna have to help them put what is kitchen into kitchen area, bathroom into bathroom area, and all the fun stuff. So yeah, I feel like there's more stuff coming, so this place is gonna look more crowded than it is right now.
2,000 years later.
Guys, so I have been left alone. Basically, they're trying to tell me to figure out my own fate, but technically when they deliver like this high value item to your cards, like turn it on and everything. So I turned my TV on just to make sure everything is good. They assembled my couch because that's the only thing I wouldn't have the tools to assemble. So these other stuff in the box belong to all these other sections of the room. Obviously there's a box in the kitchen that I opened to make sure everything is good. Guys, trust me, if I tell you I have all these commodities and grocery stuff in a box, yes, I did pack stuff from the United States to here. And this is also kitchen items. The way they pack these items, none of these items were broken or torn or misplaced, but I stand to be corrected because I have other boxes to open, and hopefully none of these items are damaged or anything. But I have paperwork for future damages, breakages, or anything that I would have to, you know, file a claim for if I have to. Hopefully it doesn't get to that, but now I would have to open boxes, put things away, not really decorating or making it nice and neat, but I'm just going to put stuff away and, you know, figure out where I'll sleep tonight, because the way things are looking in here, not good. But guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here because that's the update basically, and all I have to say is that thank you guys so much for sticking and staying with me, even though I disappear and appear whenever I want. But guys, trust me, it's not intentional at all. It's not. I have been dealing with a lot, okay, a lot. And I also fell ill the first 2 weeks that I got here, and it was scary. I'm not trying to scare anybody, but it was a phase, but we passed it. So we're about to focus on what we need to focus on and strive for it. But everything pretty much is here to start turning the house into a home, and I've ordered some stuff that I'm waiting for them to get here, and then when they get here we will put this place together. So let's just say this is the before, looking very messy and watch out for the after, because I can't wait to turn this whole space into something Irabna Safwa will turn a space into. So guys, watch out for this space, and I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, I gotta go. Oh no.
She's not always shy.